How to fix Instagram unsend message problem, message unsend not problem having here, message unsend not working problem. How to fix this problem? Are you facing this problem in your Instagram application? Some people, you can send the message, and after send the message you have to delete that message, but it will be not deleting, showing this problem. How you can fix this problem? Instagram message unsend problem, Instagram message unsending the removal problem. How to fix this problem? In this video I will show you. This problem is basically application problem. So if you have to this problem, then how you can fix the problem? First of all, you have to open the mobile settings. After opening the mobile settings, now simply you have to open the application option. Open the apps option. If you like any other devices, Redmi, Vivo, Oppo, Samsung, then simply open your mobile settings, and after the search here the apps option find, and simply find the Instagram app. Now simply you can find your Instagram application from apps. After find the Instagram, now you can see open the Instagram. Now you can see here I will searching Instagram. Now Instagram is now here. Open the Instagram. After open the Instagram, now simply click the storage and cache option. After clicking the storage and cache option, now simply you have to click the clear cache option. Simply you have to click the clear cache option. Now after clicking the clear cache option, now you have to simply go to back. Just go to back. Simply open Play Store application. Simply open the here. Search the Instagram. After searching the Instagram, now simply you have to find the any update the Instagram. Simply update your Instagram. If you have like iPhone device, then simply you have to update Instagram from App Store. Okay, just update from your App Store, and simply update Instagram from your Play Store. After update from Play Store your Instagram or your App Store, now simply open your Instagram application. Now I will unlock my Instagram. Wait. So I will show you now. One chat delete. So you can see here I'll send the message. Now you can see I will a few hours ago you can see that message will be sent. I will now deleting that message. You can see here unsend. So you can see my message is now unsent. Okay, see here my message is now unsent. Okay, you can see here my message is now unsent. You have to click the 2 times. Okay, just click the 2 times do. You can see my message is now unsent. So thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe to the channel for more update. Let's get back a new video.